Storm blew in a little bit unexpectedly. Yes. Well, I'm pretty much in between two clockwise swirls, which is kicking fucking shit back the other way. Usually I'll sit on my front porch, smoke a bowl, and watch a lightning show. Today my front porch got hailed on and rain, all wet, stuff inside. So thunderstorm. Crazy. Anyway, don't you worry, Southern Hemisphere. You got your own little counterclockwise swirls going on over here. Wouldn't want to forget about you. Australia's fixing to get sucked into a reverse vortex there. All the pretty colors. You don't know what's going on there. They just won't hold still, Captain. How's that for an update? It's hot. Fucking hot. Backwind blew off the fucking magnetosphere. Look at that. Weird magnetopause. It's a good show. Best show on TV. I'll tell you what's a good show. John put up a good show. I can barely see him. Do things now. And he cussed. Anyway, where are we? Leah's oldest first. So good.